That iCloud storage full notification popping up every single day? The free 5 gigabytes disappear fast. In this video, I'll show you 5 steps to actually free up space without paying a thing. And at the end, I'll tell you when upgrading is genuinely worth it. Step 1. Find out what is using your space. Before deleting anything at random, let us find the culprits. Open the Apple menu, then System Settings, and click your name at the top. Go to iCloud and look at the colored bar. Click Manage to see the ranking. Backups and photos usually eat almost everything. Step 2. Delete old device backups. This is the single step that frees up the most space. Inside Manage, open the Backups section. Look for iPhones or iPads you no longer use. An old iPhone backup can be several gigabytes. Delete it only if you do not need that device anymore. Step 3. Empty recently deleted. Surprise! Whatever you delete still takes up space for 30 days. Open Photos, go to Recently Deleted in the sidebar, and choose Delete All. On iCloud Drive, check the trash as well. The same applies to Notes and Mail. Every app has its own hidden trash. Step 4. Optimize your photo library. Photos are the #1 cause of a full iCloud. Open Photos, then Settings, and go to the iCloud tab. Select Optimize Max Storage. Then delete long videos and duplicate screenshots. They are the heaviest files you own. Step 5. Choose what actually syncs. Not everything needs to live on iCloud. In iCloud Drive, turn off desktop and documents folders if they take too much. Move archives you do not need daily to an external drive. Careful, when you turn it off, the files stay on iCloud. Download them to your Mac first. If space still is not enough after all this, 50 gigabytes costs less than a coffee per month. That is when upgrading makes sense. Let me know in the comments how much you freed up. Subscribe to Tatos for more Apple tutorials every week.